Hey pretty girl gang, it's me De'Ara and I'm here with yet another wig review. I'm going to jump right into it because I know this wig review is long overdue. I am reviewing a kinky straight unit from a company called Youthful Beauty. Is it Youth Beauty? No, I'm sorry. It's just called Youth Beauty. And first of all, let me show y'all this bomb packaging that I received my hair in. So I actually received this hair sometime in September and I didn't end up installing it. I installed it the first time. on insert pictures right here, a little bit like mid-October. Then I ended up going on vacation and I got braids. So I just got back from vacation. Now it's November and I'm installing the unit for a second time. So keep in mind this unit and this review is based on me wearing this unit on 2 separate occasions, which is pretty good for y'all, so y'all can get a very true testimony about how I like the hair. Anyways, this is the packaging that the hair came in and I absolutely love this packaging. This is the type of packaging that you can't throw away. Like, I know that we order so many wigs. We get those big plastic bags. We get those boxes. We get all of that stuff that normally, if you're like me, you end up just throwing that stuff in the garbage. But how could you throw something away so adorable like this? It's like a hanger. So you can literally just hang up all your wigs. I think I want to totally invest in a bunch of, oh sorry y'all, I want to invest in a bunch of these for all of my other units, because if y'all saw my current wig collection and how it was looking, y'all would totally disown me and shame me. Anyways, so the unit came with the unit itself. They also sent me adjustable strap, which is here, it's still in the bag. They sent me 2 wig caps and they sent me a pair of lashes. I did already wear those lashes. They were absolutely gorgeous, by the way. Now let me give you some more specs on the hair. So it is a 13 by 14 lace front kinky straight unit and I have it in 24 inches. Now the first time I installed it, what I did was I went ahead and I washed it. Of course I bleached the knots and I had my girlfriend cut layers in it, like long layers. So I would say my shortest layer is probably between 18 and 20 inches and then she left the length down on the bottom. So it is true to length down here, 24 inches. Now what's going on with the styling today is, first of all, I ended up getting in the shower, y'all. Oh gosh, this unit is truly a kinky straight unit. If you do not like thick, think almost Kenya Moore Real Housewives type vibe hair, this unit won't be for you. But if you want that realistic luster and look and thickness and volume, this is going to definitely be a unit. This is definitely going to be a unit that you want in your collection. So basically, I ended up straightening the hair yesterday. I got in the shower and I tried to wrap it in like a little bun, but still the humidity just made the hair poof up. And what she had to end up doing was like blow dry my hair out a little bit and then she put some soft curls in it. Now I noticed that the curls immediately started to fall. She was curling with the like actual curling iron. So I went ahead and I put the unit back on my head because she curled it on the mannequin. And I was like, what can I do? What can I do? Because the curls were just not voluminous enough for me. So what I did was I took my flat iron and I did a few quick curls over the curls that she already did. And I set the flexi rods in my hair for about 10 minutes. So this is what the hair looks like after 10 minutes. I'm going to show y'all these curls. And I'm sure that the curls will look even better. I will show like y'all, maybe I will insert a Snapchat clip. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I'll show y'all a little Snapchat clip. Snapchat clip, Snapchat clip, Snapchat clip, Snapchat clip. Say that 5 times real fast. I challenge you. And if you can, I'll give you a prize down below. You got to record yourself. But anyways, I'll show y'all a little clip tomorrow and show y'all how the curls look. The luster on this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at the luster. It's beautiful. The bounce on the hair is really, really beautiful. It's a true 1B color. I love the texture of this hair. I love how friendly and like flirty and sexy, and it does give me total Kenya Moore vibes. I wanted to do something a little different and kind of youthful, since like Youth Beauty. That's probably why I'm thinking of the word youthful. So I decided to do my little half up, half down. Now normally I like to wear my scarf on this like for an hour or so, or sometimes overnight, so this hump can get really, really, really super flat, and it also lays down my baby hairs a little bit better. So if they looking a little bit suspect right now, don't judge me, girl, okay? Because it is like almost 9:30 at night and I'm just trying to get this review done for y'all, because y'all already know that y'all are going to be asking so many questions about this unit on my Snapchat. Tangling and shedding. All right, tangling and shedding, I have not experienced any. Now, I told y'all I wore this unit on 2 different occasions. The first occasion I wore the unit, it was perfect. I straightened the hair. There was no tangling. There was no shedding. It just looked like beautiful, almost, this is Brazilian hair, but it reminds me of true Indian hair. Do y'all remember when like Indian hair first came out? Everyone was wearing Indian before you were wearing Brazilian. This is what this hair and this texture truly reminds me of. It's very reminiscent to Indian hair, where it's nice, it's thick, but it's very lightweight. So even though this looks like a lot of hair, I know, and a lot of volume, I promise you it's light as a feather. It's so bouncy, it's so pretty, it's so sexy. Now let's get into what is a little bit of a con for me. Let's chit chat about the lace. Now the lace for me, I personally feel that the lace, I'm pushing towards a lot more like HD transparent lace front wigs now. So just to have this unit and it's not that type of lace, to me, it's not the most realistic. Like, I feel like you can definitely still see the lace. I know that a lot of companies have not pushed for the actual transparent lace and the HD lace yet, but I definitely feel that this unit would be 10 times more bomb if it had that lace effect as well, because the unit would look so real. I installed this unit 2 ways. One time I installed it behind my hairline, and one time I installed it with just the hair above my hairline. And I will say I like it with the hair behind, I like it with the wig behind my hairline. It gives a very realistic look, but it's kind of annoying because when you wear a frontal, you don't, the main priority of wearing a frontal is you just don't want to deal with your real hair. And I would have to deal with my real hair. I would have to be, straightening it out a little bit. So much edge control on it. It's just a little bit more of a hassle, but it looks super real. Like, literally, I look like I was growing those Kenyan more edges. Like, I've been using Miracle Drops and everything. I was like, Hair was looking super fleeky. But like I said, it was a little bit more of maintenance, and that's the only thing that I didn't like. Other than that, y'all, I really don't have any more cons. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a quick little 360. So this is what it's looking like from the side. This is giving it to you from the front again. Here's the other side. And now here's my personal favorite, giving it to you from the back, okay? And like I said, these curls are really just going over curls. I'm not really sure how it's looking from the back. Hopefully it looks really cute and dainty-like from the back. I think it does. It's just a really nice, soft, brushed out type of curls look. Anyways, the unit does retail for $229. I think that is definitely a unit that if you love kinky straight hair, you definitely want to pick this unit up. It's found on youthbeauty.com. I should have a coupon code so y'all can save some money, honey, on this unit. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please comment down below and let me know if you like this unit, if you like kinky straight units, and what units you want to see me review next. Then, pretty gang, remember to stay pretty on the outside, but most importantly, stay pretty on the inside. I'll see you on the next video.